Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to delete YouTube videos from YouTube channel on mobile. So let me show you the steps, but just don't skip the video so you don't miss any steps I'm going to tell you. So you can delete your own videos. You can remove any videos that you uploaded from your own Google account. So to do that, when you delete a video, it is permanently deleted. If you would like to watch the video in future, make sure you have a backup saved. So sign into your YouTube Studio. From the left menu, select content. Hover over the video you would like to delete. Select the three dots icon and go to options. Tap on delete for forever and select the box to acknowledge that your video will be permanently deleted and select delete forever. When you delete a video from your YouTube channel, they immediately start the video removal process and it will no longer be searchable within YouTube. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.